Hey, I'm Adam Jusko from ProudMoney.com. My Verizon Visa credit card has arrived, and in this video I am going to unbox it for you. It came in a little fancier package than many credit cards do, so that is a good thing for a unboxing video. But before we do any of that, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not already. And if you have already, I thank you for doing so. So FedEx showed up this weekend and put that on my porch. There is a box-like structure inside of there. You can sort of tell that I've already opened it. I gotta make sure you don't see my credit card numbers when I unbox it. But anyway, this showed up, so you can see they're doing a little more in terms of wanting you to be excited about your Verizon Visa versus just any regular old credit card that comes in, a plain white envelope. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So deep in the recesses of the FedEx package are two pieces. There is a white piece and a black piece. Let's see what's in each one of them. First, the white, just a little packet here, opens up like that. Oh. It's for you. That's sort of like their little branding thing here on the Verizon credit card. On the back, shows you what you're gonna get from the card. I don't know if you can see that. It shows you your 4% categories and your 3% categories and other stuff. Did I show you that side already? I think I did, but I don't know if you got to see the close-up. So that is what is in the white card. That's it, nothing else in there. So you would think there might be a little bit more, but that's all we have going on with this part. And then the black box. So you've got the little Verizon logo in the corner there. This is sort of a cheap cardboard box. It was even a little bent when I got it. And this part here has like a little, is that the right side? Yeah, it's got like a little thing to strip it off, but in truth, it was unglued and I just kind of pulled this off. So I actually kind of pushed it back into place. Really, you're supposed to do that in order to get in there, I think, and make it seem more of a presentation. But when I got it, the glue was off and it was already kind of inside. More stuff, but it's hard to tell what that is exactly, right? So there's this hard thing. This is like a hard piece of card, and then there's really nothing else. So it's obviously in here, but check this out. It's like a little cartridge, sort of. So you take off this bottom part. This is a pretty hard cardboard, actually. Harder cardboard inside than the cardboard on the outside. But anyway, and then you pull that part out and you still haven't gotten to the card. It's like one of those Russian nesting dolls, right? So now you finally open up this little envelope, and that is when you get to your Verizon Visa. And as you can see, almost nothing there on the card itself. Just has the little V in the corner, the V check mark, whatever. Otherwise black, and this is a metal card. I know some people really love metal cards. You hear that? That's metal on metal. So that is a metal card, and if you're into metal cards, this is one of them. I'm not really going to show you all of the back because it has my information sort of from here all the way down, but you can see it's got the Visa logo on top, and then there's like my name and the card number and all that kind of stuff. So there is the card number on the back side, but again, the front side nice and clean black with just that Verizon logo. And then nothing really else going on with the packaging here, just a thing telling you where to call and activate your card. Like I said, this is kind of flimsy, but it's more than just a white envelope. Nothing going on back there. Just kind of like, this is very crumply. But anyway, I think this part is kind of cool here with the presentation, the, opening it up, woo, and then you still got this extra package, so you're getting more and more excited as you get closer to that card, right? Now, what's weird about this packaging is there's nothing else. So I showed you this white little envelope here with this card, and this card is really just kind of a marketing card, right? But I didn't get anything about my interest rate, what my credit line is, anything about what credit reporting agency was pulled, any of that stuff that normally comes with a card, I don't have. And I didn't get it by email either, even though I got a welcome email saying, that my card was on its way. So I don't know if something's still coming or what is happening with that, but there should be that information as well. Now I did go, I cannot get that card back in there. I did go online and saw that I have a $7,000 credit line, so that part I could at least go into my account and find out, but there wasn't any other information on there, so I didn't see anything about what my interest rate was when I go online. And as part of this, kind of introductory thing here on the card, if you saw the other video I did reviewing the card, if you had applied and been approved before June 26th, you were supposed to get a chunk of this $1 million bonus that was going to be spread evenly among everybody that applied and was approved by that date. So I don't know if that means that my bonus was going to be $1 or $100 or $1,000. It depended on how many people were going to get approved. No information on what is going on with that. So I was approved on time, but I don't know. There's nothing in the online account that suggests that I have gotten any sort of bonus yet. There's no information anywhere telling me what that bonus is. I don't know how to find that out or when I'm going to find that out. So on that end, a little bit lame, kind of a cool, introduction in terms of the physical unboxing, but still some information not being sent out to me. Now, if you're someone that already got the card, maybe you got this and I just missed it, or I didn't get the email or went in my junk file. So if you know better, please let me know in the comment section below. Now, I have already reviewed the Verizon Visa, but if by some quirk of fate you missed that video, I'll give you the quick synopsis, and that is this. The Verizon Visa rewards you in Verizon dollars. So you're going to get rewarded on all your purchases, but you can only use the rewards you get toward your Verizon bill or toward Verizon purchases, which are essentially the same thing because your purchases end up on your Verizon bill, right? So anyway, while that is not necessarily ideal for most credit cards, it doesn't bother me as much with this credit card because if you are a Verizon customer, you have to pay that bill every month anyway. So it's almost like any other cashback card because it's not like a store card where, you go and buy clothes every, once a year or twice a year or whatever. And so those rewards are something that you feel like you have to, use at a place that maybe you wouldn't use them. You have to pay that Verizon bill every month. So it's actually kind of a nice thing if you are a Verizon customer already, and the multiples, what you're going to get on some of the purchases, those are pretty good too. So you're getting, I'll put that up there, hopefully you can see it, 4% on gas and groceries. You're getting 3% on your dining purchases, 2% on Verizon purchases, 1% on everything else. So 4% on gas and groceries, pretty nice reward. There aren't many cashback cards where you're going to find that. 3% on dining, very competitive with a lot of cashback cards out there on the market, and those are a lot of your everyday purchases. So I think Verizon has done a pretty nice job here of making people feel good about what they're getting. And again, you're redeeming for something that you would have to pay for anyway if you're a Verizon customer. In addition, they are giving a $100 bonus that is stretched out over 24 months. So that's not exactly, going to change your life very much. And then there also is a $10 per line, I believe, discount that you can get if you do auto pay on your Verizon account and have it go onto this card if you weren't already doing auto pay. So really that's kind of not like a new perk because I'm pretty sure they were offering that before. But anyway, if you do that, you'll also get $10 off your Verizon bill that way. So there are multiple things going on. So if you're a Verizon customer, then you could be pretty happy with what you're getting here. And oh yeah, this card is issued by Synchrony Bank, and Synchrony Bank tends to be a little more lenient in terms of their approval standards. So if you're someone that maybe has had trouble getting some of the better cashback cards on the market and you're a Verizon customer, you might say, well, maybe I'll do better here. Maybe I can get approved here when I wasn't approved somewhere else. So if you're sitting in that, I don't know for sure, but maybe 650 to 700 range, maybe even a little under 650. It's hard to say for sure who would get approved and who won't. But if you're sitting in that sort of average credit space, you may get approved for this card and be able to get a pretty nice reward on everyday purchases. So some people, this could become their everyday card. And so I think Verizon has been pretty smart here by putting this card out. Kind of surprised they haven't done this previously. They have done a nice job of coming up with a formula that I think is going to attract some people. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, please go to proudmoney.com where we do credit card reviews, we talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. Thank you for watching. Bye.